So strawberry rhubarb dressing, what we're going to need is we're going to need 1 bunch of thyme. For this recipe calls for 4 quarts of strawberries cored. The purveyor we have up here sells them by the pound, so the conversion is 1 quart equals 1.5 pounds. So for this particular recipe we'll need 6 pounds for 4 quarts. We'll need 2 quarts of honey, 1 gallon of canola oil, 4 pounds of rhubarb, which we're going to cut up, and then we're going to mix all these together and make a wonderful dressing. Okay, so what we do is we take the strawberries, we're going to take the rhubarb, we're going to add in 1.5 quarts of water to kind of cover, and then we're also going to add in 2 quarts of honey. And as we add that in, we're going to put this into a stock pot, and we're going to cook this over high heat, approximately 30 minutes or so, to let this kind of all boil down and coagulate. Thanks. All right, so now we've taken this off the heat, and as you can see, the rhubarb that we had cut in those 2-inch strips is all kind of broken down in its fiber, which is fine. Now we're going to cool this down, and then we're going to incorporate it all in with the burr mixer so that it becomes more of a dressing. But for right now, you can see everything is broken down under the high heat. Basically, it was about 20 minutes, and now we're going to ice it down, cool it down real quick, and then we'll make some more dressing out of it. Okay, so now we've rapidly cooled this down. What we're going to do is we're going to transfer this into a 22-quart container. So we're going to get it prepared to go into the mixer. We're going to take 6 cups of red wine cider vinegar. We're going to add that in. We're going to add in our chopped thyme. And then finally we're going to add in the 1 tablespoon of the xanthan gum. And then all we're really going to do is we're going to take our gallon of canola oil, and just like we do with many of our other dressings, we're going to add that in real slowly with the burr mixer to get a nice fine dressing. And as you can see, we'll probably end up somewhere around 12.5 quarts or so for yield. And we'll see when we're done.